I haven't uploaded on this channel in 3 weeks, and that's not even the problem. It's not about not uploading in 3 weeks. But before these 3 weeks ago that I uploaded my last video, I did not upload for like 2 to 3 months. I uploaded 4 months ago, and my last upload was 4 months ago. Then I uploaded 3 months ago. And I'm surprised. It's surprising me myself. Let me put it that way, because when I created this channel in April of this year, 2025, my intention or my aim was to monetize this channel in at most 3 months. This is currently October, from April to October, and this channel has not even gotten up to 150 subscribers. The watch hours in my YouTube studio is nothing to write home about. I'm saying this story because honestly, YouTube can catch you or meet you in an unexpected way. Before I uploaded my last video, which was 3 weeks ago, I gave up. Like I gave up 90% gave up on YouTube. I said I'm not going to be uploading on this channel again, that I'm just going to focus on my other channel that is monetized. I'm not going to be sharing my YouTube journey on YouTube again. I'm just going to focus on that my niche that is monetized, even though it's a very low paying niche. That was my decision as at 4 months ago that I stopped uploading. Before, I just woke up one day and saw that, in fact, the last video I uploaded 3 weeks ago, I filmed that video about that 4 months ago. I almost deleted, like I wanted to delete it. But you know this thing they will say, you don't know when a video will blow up, everything is content, don't forget to film it. And that thing that people say, that video that you film, please upload it, because you can wake up tomorrow and change your mind. I put all of these things together and I decided not to do that video, and I uploaded it. That is even the reason I had content to upload on this channel 3 weeks ago, which was my last upload till today that I'm filming this video. Don't get me wrong, I've not been off YouTube because I have another channel that is monetized that I upload on almost every day. Sometimes I even upload 2 to 3 videos on that channel in 24 hours, that's in a day. But for this particular channel, the growth has not been impressive at all. The growth has been nothing to write home about. Like, it's discouraging me. I'm so discouraged. I know that I can't be the only one in this situation. No, that's why I decided to come back on YouTube and talk about it again. So right now I'm back on YouTube. And even while I was away in this, let me say 4 months, because I'm not going to count that video that I uploaded 3 weeks ago. I'll say I was away for like 3 to 4 months before I uploaded my 3 weeks ago video. So while I was away for these 3 months, there are some times that you'll be away on YouTube and then you see that your subscribers are increasing and then your watch hours are increasing like very, very well. You will see the growth even in your absence. Like you go to your YouTube studio, you come to your YouTube app and you see that you are still growing even while you are not uploading. That was not my case. Is it just me? Are there people in my shoes? Another thing I noticed is, for you to be away from YouTube and then you are growing, that means that YouTube is suggesting your videos and people are still watching even in your absence, even while you stop uploading. I think lately YouTube stopped suggesting people's old videos. Like you have to double your effort or triple your effort before you even meet up to thresholds these days. Like people no longer watch, like I don't know if it's people that are not watching. I can't say people are not watching. YouTube no longer suggests people's old video. Is it just me? It can't be, because I realized that while I was away, my views on my content and my previous content are not increasing. They're not increasing, and then definitely if your views are not increasing, that means nobody has been visiting your channel. Hence, nobody will subscribe to your channel. And at the end of the day, there's no increment in your watch hour. So this is my case. Please, if you've ever been in this situation, let me know down in the comment section. While you were away for a while from YouTube, were people watching your content? Were your subscribers increasing? I mean, lately, like recently, in the past 2 to 3 months, if you were ever away from YouTube in the past 2 to 3 months, please let me know. Were your views increasing? Were your subscribers increasing? Especially small creators like me that has small and growing channels like this. If you come across this video, and you've been in this situation, let me know, where your views increasing in your absence, where your watch hours increasing in your absence. Because for me, it was zero views, zero subscribers, zero watch hours. Nothing was increasing. So all these things discouraged me. I said I wasn't going to come back to YouTube, but I just decided to come, and now I'm back on YouTube. I'm back. My aim is to monetize this channel, and I'm not giving up on this channel again. And I don't think I'll ever give up on this channel again. Like I said, I have a monetized channel which I upload on every day. Sometimes I even upload 2 to 3 videos on that channel. But for this one that is not monetized, that I'm trying to grow, it's been so hard and tough growing this channel. So basically, this particular video, will I say is a rant? No, I'm not really ranting. I'm just pointing out my mind and telling you all that noticed that I've not been uploading for a while. The reason I stopped uploading is not because I've been away from YouTube completely. No, I've been on YouTube steady, uploading on my other channel. But I've been away from this channel because this channel, honestly, is so discouraging. The views, the subscribers, the watch hour, everything is discouraging. But I'm back now, and I hope and pray that it starts moving fast, even better, like far better than the way it was moving. Because since I created this channel in April, I've not even gotten up to 200 subscribers, and this is me, someone that has another channel that, like say, is doing well, but at least is moving and then is monetized. There's a lot of story, or there are a lot of stories on that channel as well. I'm going to come here to talk about that story someday, not right now. But basically, that is what I'm here to say. I'm back. Watch out for my content. Watch out for my videos. Watch out for my long form videos. Watch out for my short form videos. And please, when you come across my video, help me subscribe, help me comment, help me like, help me engage with my content so that YouTube can help me push my video out to a larger audience, and so that all my efforts and stress that I'm putting into growing this channel can be impactful, like can worth it at the end of the day. So if for any reason you missed me, even though nobody reached out to me from this channel to tell me that, where have you been, this, that, not even, I didn't even get any comment on any of the previous videos, like in the comment section. I didn't even get any comments. That's fine. The community is still very small. I have like 100 and something plus subscribers, so that's fine. But if for any reason I came across your mind and you're like, I've not seen this person's video in a while, well, I'm pleased to announce to you that I'm back, and I'm back for good. Please watch out for my content. When you come across my content, please engage, subscribe, like, comment, so that YouTube can help me push it out to a larger audience. Like I said before, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. And have you watched any of these videos that are currently showing on your screen? You should check them out. You can click on the box on your right or on the box on your left. It takes you directly to these videos, and these videos are very impactful YouTube growth tips and monetization tips. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning till this point. If you are new here and you are still here with me at this point, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I upload a new video on this channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.